Hello, this is Sarah, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make more paper with your paper scraps. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video below. I like to use this handmade paper kit along with some other supplies that I'll be linking below the video. First, you'll need to get a blender and add some water about halfway, then add your scraps. I like to tear them up a little smaller than the whole piece. You could also mix up different colors. Once you have enough, you can go ahead and blend it until it is fully blended like a pulp. Then grab a bin of water about 3 inches high, and I had some leftover pulp from before and will be adding this pulp inside. The water should look mostly cloudy and no clearness. If it is still somewhat clear, you'll need more pulp. Then take the bottom frame that has the mesh and add the other screen on top and add the blank frame on top and tightly sandwich the frame and add into the water by scooping it in so the pulp is on top of the frame, and evenly spread out as much as you can and pull up the frame holding tight to your frame. Wait until you can get as much of the water out, maybe gently shake up and down. Then clean out the frame if you want to, and you could also add some seeds, leaves, dried flowers, tissue paper, confetti, and more to embellish the paper on top. I'll be adding this leaf, and when you add this, try to dig it in and spread the pulp gently around so it is secure onto the paper. Then bring it to the side where you could squeeze out more water. So I like to use this baking pan to catch the water that'll be coming out, but you could do this on top of a towel or outside on a table you don't mind getting wet. Then take the white blotting paper that also comes with the kit and add on top and use the sponge to squeeze out more water. Do this several times. I felt the more water you can drain out, the faster it'll dry. Then you can add another sheet of fabric on top and iron it, but you will have to be careful with this to not burn the paper, or just let it dry for 24 hours for it to fully dry, and may take longer if your sheet of paper is thicker. I let it hang dry for a couple days and they came out great. I also turned one into a journal. Try making it yourself with scraps of paper. This is also a great activity with kiddos. Please like this video below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.